The anxiety is everywhere right now. Can artificial intelligence completely replace human teachers in the modern classroom today? This is no longer speculative. Software is already in classrooms today, answering complex student questions in real time. Think of it as a tireless tutor that operates 24 hours a day, never losing patience and never needing to sleep. If the purpose of education is purely the delivery of facts, then the human instructor has reached the point of obsolescence. We see this shift happening through platforms like ChatGPT and Khan Academy. These algorithms analyze datasets to tailor the pacing and curriculum for millions of individual students at the same time. The advantage of the machine is its capacity to index and recall the breadth of recorded knowledge on demand. In a race based on the speed of information retrieval, human memory cannot compete with a processor. However, that perspective relies on a specific misunderstanding. It assumes that teaching is nothing more than the transfer of data. To see why that's incomplete, look at this matrix splitting education into information and connection. AI handles the first pillar's mechanics with high efficiency. Yet algorithms cannot compute the frustration a student faces when hitting a wall. A machine can generate a correct answer, but it cannot manufacture the reason for a student to value that answer. That second pillar, emotional connection and motivation, is the specific area where human educators maintain their advantage. A human teacher instantly reads nonverbal cues, like a sudden loss of confidence, that pure data tracking misses. The bond between a student and a mentor provides the emotional resilience required to keep working through a difficult subject. This requires empathy, an entirely different skill set from data processing. Understanding a person is a different task than indexing information. Because they operate in different cognitive domains, man and machine are not actually in a state of competition. The solution to the educational challenge is a symbiotic collaboration between machine intelligence and human empathy. We are moving toward a model where AI takes on the administrative labor, knowledge transfer, grading, and personalized pacing. Automating those mechanical tasks allows teachers to move away from repetitive lecturing and toward one-on-one mentoring. In this classroom, the AI manages the what and the how, while the teacher focuses on the why. Integrating a massive digital archive with a mentor who understands student psychology addresses both the cognitive and emotional needs of a student. AI functions as a tool that changes a teacher's daily responsibilities rather than acting as a substitute for their presence. As these methods evolve, the speed and depth of what students are able to learn increases. Subscribe to the channel for more explorations into the future of education and technology. Adopting this collaborative model allows the classroom to function as both a high-speed data lab and a space for human growth.